Hello, I want to give an idea of what I went through regarding about charging up the aircon. What I experienced was I can buy the aircon type of gas in a small can from all this online purchasing e-marketing sales. Okay? Also can buy the hose that is fitted to the low inlet. This high and low inlet. The low inlet is the one that is able to charge up your aircon. Charge meaning here you can add gas, assuming that there is no leak in your hose in your car. There are certain specification on how much to put based on the gauge that you can use. You buy together in the online shopping. Okay? So now, assuming you already have the hose relevant for the purpose and also the gas, the problem is what I encountered. I thought my car had low gas, therefore I need to add. But suddenly I realized when I actually put the gauge, the new gauge, and also together with the gas, to my surprise, it actually overcharged. It is at maximum. So that sort of like gave me an impression that when we go to the shop to have the aircon guy, he actually has overcharged, and therefore the car is not really getting the required cooling that you normally would have in a new car. Okay, so that's what I realized. So I didn't even add the gas, because I found that once I lowered the gas from max to the adequate amount, and that's where I realized the amount was enough to get the cooling going. And in fact, the car was performing much better than previously with so much overload of the aircon gas. Okay, that after I go through the YouTube videos by mechanics, experienced mechanics, they also mentioned that overloading is not really good for the car, and they gave a few symptoms that actually not good for the car. So my advice to you, look into getting your own hose for the L, they call it, low inlet, and also the connecting to the gas, small cylinder gas that you can buy easily from online. I don't think they sell in spare part shops, but if you can get it, try to see whether your car as well has been overloaded with the aircon gas, or if it is underload below the minimum required gas for aircon to perform well. Then you can always use the small gas tank aircon gas to actually fill up to the required mark. So that's my advice to you. Now my aircon feels cold, like it was from the original when I bought the car. And also, not to mention, the car is performing much better in terms of the engine use itself. Okay, that's my take on charging the aircon gas. Thank you very much.